I know I'd go back to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariana, and I'm so glad that you guys come on my channel, and welcome to Science Lab Tuesday with Ariana Jones. And anyway, I have a special experiment surprise for you guys, and I actually will show you a picture of it in a second, and you guys have to guess what it is. And yeah, I guess before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe button down below. Also, before we get started, I want to remind you guys to click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I post a brand new video, because I have a special video in store for you guys Saturday. So you guys really might want to watch this. Because at the end of it, I'm going to be giving you a little tiny hint, and you guys can try to figure it out. My social media will be down below, and follow me on social media because I do some giveaways. Also, I am creating a new Instagram where I draw cartoons of you guys, like not actual cartoons. I'm not really sure what they're called, but you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys might know what I'm talking about. Some of you might. Those who have been watching quite a lot of YouTube videos for quite a long while. But before this intro gets way too long, let's get into this video. So the first thing you guys are going to need are a container. I'm using actual test tubes, but you guys can use any container you guys would like to for the surprise science experiment. You're going to need these and probably something like a napkin under it so where nothing gets stained or on the ground. The next thing you're going to need is baking soda, not baking powder. Baking powder will make it liquidy, not what we want. Okay, can you guess what the experiment is yet? Comment it down below if you got an idea. Anyway, I'm using Arm & Hammer, the standard of purity baking soda, for this surprise science experiment. Yeah. And now you are going to need food coloring. I only have 3 colors, yellow, green, and blue, as you guys can see. Anyway, you are going to use this, if you want to make it colorful. So it's optional to have food coloring or any type of coloring for that sort. Let's get to the next one. And last but not least, you're going to need vinegar. Now that all of our ingredients are here, including the food coloring at the very end, we can get into this video, but we need to go outside for this just in case we make a mess. Okay, I'm outside and I have all of my ingredients. I'm just gonna lower my camera down some just so where you guys can see. And I'm outside at my mom's shop, and that's in front of a bunch of cars, so yeah. So let's lower this camera down. Okay. Whoa, here comes my sister to the party. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your baking soda. Well, actually, first, I'm going to put my food coloring into here just because I want my baking soda to be colorful. So I'm going to put like 1 drop of 1, 2, 3. Okay, I just put 1 drop of blue, and now I'm going to put 1 drop of green. And now it's time to do 1 drop of yellow in the last 2. 1, 2. Sorry for all the noise outside, guys. Okay, and just got a little bit of yellow dye in my hands. Okay, now that we got the dye, I'm gonna pour just some of it in my hand. Just gonna put a pinch in each tube. But I'm probably gonna end up putting more because I have water or a water substance in there, so I'm just going to pour a tad bit more. And that's why I stuck them in a cardboard box, just so where the noise, not the noise, gosh, I'm getting so confused today. Just so where the stuff goes onto the lid of the box instead of everywhere on my mom's stuff. Okay. And voila. Sorry, this is not the best video that I've ever done, but okay. Now it's time for the grand finale, and I'm actually going to have two cameras. One side is going to be this, and the other side is going to be this point of view, the point of view, and the other side is going to be up above. Okay, so let's go.
I'll admit, it's my fault, but you got. How long has this been going on? You've been creeping around on me while you're calling me baby. How long has this been going on? You've been acting so shady. I've been feeling it.
Okay guys, well, my video's over. Sorry, my face is really too close to the camera. Anyway, bye guys. I love you so much. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button. You guys already know. Go to the beginning if you guys want to know this. I'm really tired. Okay. But anyway, bye guys. Kisses and hugs.